Arma Hobby knows how to design instrument panels. Hi guys, in this short video, I will show you how I turn this piece of plastic into nice-looking Messerschmitt 262 instrument panel. First step was to paint plastic instrument panel with RLM 66 slightly lightened with white. Then I applied the clear coat of Mr. Hobby GX 100 to protect the paint from modeling chemicals. I decided to use these beautiful kit decals printed by Cartograph. As applying this kind of decal in one piece is always problematic, I decided to cut it into 4 pieces. Separately, the top and bottom part, and left and right section. To make my life easier, I used decal solvents, a precise tweezers, and a stiff brush. Okay, let's start. Working on each section was similar. Apply decal on set solvent, remove the excess fluid, and push the decal with a brush. Finally, apply sol solvent. Be careful when using set and sol, as Cartograph decals are quite delicate. The most challenging part is to place the decal exactly in the right position on the model. I was using magnifier and checking the result under strong light while the decal was still movable. After drying, the result was quite satisfying, so I could unify the surface with semi-matte varnish and finally fill the instrument panel dials with clear gloss paint, which gave them a nice glass-like look. And that's it. It took me about 2 hours to finish this detail, but I am quite happy with the result. In next video, I will continue my work on Messerschmitt 262 cockpit. Stay tuned and subscribe.